Corb's taught me this. I love it. We use it all the time. I hope I'm saying this right, and I hope you're there because I want to meet you. But the Gwillos brothers, Valdosta State, gave us the Corbs like even way back. And so we were talking about it. I want to give those guys credit. So thank you. We use this a ton. Some of you guys should probably do the same. I wanted to show you something cool. Dissection of this ball. So if I'm a right-handed hitter, so I'm standing up here right now. How do I look on that screen? Okay? Pretty good. So you guys are boring. So again, like this, I'm a right-handed hitter. The 1 is the inside of the ball. The 2 is the middle, and the 3 is the outside. The high side is the plus, and the bottom of the ball, the top of the ball is the plus, and the bottom of the ball is the minus. We as hitters, with our connectivity and our swing origination, getting our body in a good spot to turn fast, and the hands across the nose, we're trying to eliminate the 3 and the minus of the ball. Those are the 2 sides of the ball we're trying to not live on. Now, this is a lot of minus. My head tilts my body because I stay back, my angles. I see that minus really good. It's huge. That scope is like this. And that 3 becomes really visible. Now all of a sudden I get my lead side down, I get in a good position to hit, I turn opposite, and now I feel that torque of the swing here, and eventually the back speed and the whip is going to connect, and here comes the power. Now I get here, and now the ball allows it to travel, not too far, but I let it travel, and then I get here, and now all of a sudden the minus of the ball actually disappears, and the 3 gets shaded gray, which is a cool thing. And now we can be on the kind of that L, that 90 right there, the 1, 2, and the plus side of the ball. You guys are going to like this. I was proud of this next slide because Macias did it for me. So here's the ball. I took the quadrants off for you. So remember, picture yourself as a right-handed hitter, or I should say this, not so everybody knows, but lefty, it would just switch. The plus and minus is still the same. The 3 just goes on the outside, 2 middle, 1 comes to the inside. So if you're a lefty, picture it that way. So watch this. Here's what it actually looks like. Oh, here it comes. It's coming at me. Boom. Now I get to contact, and look at that. The minus and the 3 kind of get out of the equation. Now take that same thing and reverse it just like you would a swing, work on extension, thought of playing, and now you start pushing that thing out, back closer out of the pitcher's hand, and start committing to swing at it early, and you can see where that minus and the 3 of the ball start to reappear, and that's when I start to have some troubles, okay? Not that we're always going to hit the 1, the 2, or the plus, but those are the things that we're fighting for. Stop your mouth.